In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table into Google Sites. Inserting a table can be incredibly useful when you're aiming to present structured data or information in a more digestible format on your site. So let's dive right into the process and make it as smooth as possible for you. First, head over to Google Docs. If you haven't already, open your web browser and go to the official Google Docs website. Once you're there, navigate to the document that contains the table you want to insert into your Google site. Click to open that specific file, making sure you have the correct document in front of you. This document should already include the table you want to embed into your Google site. Now, with your document open in Google Docs, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen where you'll find the File option in the menu. Click on File to open a drop-down menu. Within this menu, hover your mouse over the download option, which will then display several format options for downloading your file. For our purposes, click on the option Web Page HTML Zipped. By selecting this, you're essentially converting your Google Doc into an HTML file, which can then be used to extract the table's code. After clicking, a prompt will appear asking you where to save this file. Simply click Save, and it will download to your designated location, typically your Downloads folder or desktop depending on your browser settings. Next, open your File Explorer and find that recently downloaded file. Once you've located the zipped HTML file, double-click to open it. Inside, you'll find an HTML document. Right-click on this document and select the option that says View Page Source. This will open the back-end HTML code of your document in your default web browser. From this source page, scroll to locate the code segment that corresponds to your table. This might require some careful reviewing, but it's crucial you copy the entire table code accurately. Select the table code, right-click and choose Copy. After copying the code, open Google Sites in your browser. Navigate to the page where you want to add the table and look for the Embed option, typically found in the side toolbar. Click on Embed and then choose Embed Code. In the provided box, paste the table code you copied earlier. Once you've pasted the code, click on Next to preview how your table will appear on your site. If everything looks right, click Insert to add the table to your page. And there you have it, a table neatly inserted into your Google site, all set to help organize and present your information effectively. Congratulations on completing this step. With these instructions, adding tables to your Google site should now be a seamless task anytime you need it.